Okay, I'm going to move things along now to the displaced paradiddle. Effectively, I start the paradiddle 1/16 later than usual. So basically, if I demonstrate with the bass drum, it will sound like this: 1 E anta, 2 E anta, 3 E anta, 4 E anta. So you end up with 3 strokes to get you back onto the beat. So if I play that between the hi-hat and the snare drum, it sounds like this: 1 E anta, 2 E anta, 3 E anta, 4 E anta. Now what I'm going to do, as before, is I'm going to play it with the bass drum and our 6 bass drum variations at 70 beats per minute. 1 E anta, 2 E anta, 3 E anta, 4 E anta. It is slightly trickier, this one. I'm now going to try it at 90 beats per minute. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... I've now taken the tempo up to 120 beats per minute, and I'm going to play the same 6 bass drum combinations with the displaced paradiddle. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... And there you have it. That's our 4 combinations of paradiddles: the paradiddle, the inverted, the reverse, and the displaced. I mean, the idea is that you can start to integrate them into your playing, just breaking things up between what I would sort of regard as a unison style of playing, using the bass drum, snare drum and hi-hat all playing together like this. Then you can start to bring in different combinations of patterns just to break things up. Thank you, and see you soon for some more combinations and patterns.